Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in my last video I used acrylic colors and the result was pretty good, but I think I have so much to learn. So today I will be drawing a macaw bird because they have lots of colors, and I will be playing with my colors and let's see how it turns out. So today I will be using this is a normal bond paper, maybe 70 GSM, and I'm not using any canvas board because they are not cheap. And for the reference I have taken this image, and let's begin the art and let's see how the acrylic colors react to the paper and how to use this, because I have so much to learn. So first of all, let me draw the outline, and I will not be wasting any more time on the outline because the outline is not the main subject in this video. So let's do it. So the basic outline is here. Now I will be mounting the camera and finish the drawing, but before that, have a look at this image. We have several colors like red over here, orange for this section, and some of yellow and blue, some greenish portion there. So we will have to take colors in this palette and then begin the drawing. Okay, so I have my colors ready and I hope I don't screw up. Let's mount the camera and let's begin. And now that the drawing is complete, it looks really good. I didn't expect red to be this bright. By the way, I want to talk few things about this painting. For this part I used scarlet red, which is the brightest red I had in my box, and for this part I didn't use orange. I mixed red with yellow because yesterday I showed my last video to my best friend and he suggested me that I should mix colors instead of directly using them, because I think that's efficient and that way you can consume less colors and your colors won't get finished quickly. For this part I used cobalt blue, and for this colors I mixed white with blue to get the sky blue effect. Here I mixed green with white to get the lighter green, and overall the image looks really awesome. I would really love to know what you think about this painting, and comment anything, any suggestion for me. I would really appreciate it. Anyway, thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please like share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.